Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Prissy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Kung Fu effect on your TikTok to make videos. How to use the Kung Fu effect to make videos on TikTok. So if you want to make videos on TikTok and you're finding it difficult to do those, so all you need to do is to sit tight and watch this video and learn how to do it. On my TikTok here on my screen you can see these two couples fighting kung fu. So all I need to do here in order to make videos like this is for me to go back to my browser. I need browser on my device, but I'm going to be using Chrome. On your browser here, all you need to do is to search for Heyo AI. So all you're going to see here is this Heyo AI. All you need to do is to click on it, just like this. So all you need to do here now is to click on the sign in. So in order to sign in, you're going to be using your Gmail to do that. So after you click on the Gmail, you are signing in. When you are done signing in, all you need to do here now is to click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You can see the plus button. Click on that. Here, all you need to do is to add an image. And unleash your creative. Type in text like fighting kung fu. Kicking. Okay, fighting kung fu, clicking on other stuff. Then click on create history. So yeah, as you can see on your screen, you can see they are now fighting kung fu. All you need to do here in order to save this video is to click on this download icon, and as you can see, it's now saved on my device. So guys, this is how to create video on how to create kung fu video on TikTok. So if you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video.